In 2020, during the restoration of the tomb of Saint Jadwiga in Poland, workers stumbled upon an unusual slab that piqued their interest. Opting to lift the section, they uncovered a hidden cavity filled with charcoal and plaster, initiating the unraveling of centuries-old mysteries. The Basilica of Saint Jadwiga, located in Trebnica, southwest Poland, has been a focal point for conservation efforts due to concerns about a small crack on a stone sarcophagus prompting the latest renovations. Over the years, this basilica has been a site of unexpected discoveries, including a time capsule found in the bell tower and burial chambers dating back to the 17th century, unearthed during the restoration of the basilica floor. Trebnica, situated in the region of Lower Silesia, with historical significance, has changed hands between different kingdoms. Known for being the burial site of Polish royals and spouses, Trebnica boasts royal connections and is home to the sanctuary of Saint Jadwiga, also known as Trebnica Abbey, originally founded by Duchess Hedwig of Anditches and her husband Henry I of Bearded. Trebnica Abbey, established in 1203, played a vital role in the religious and historical tapestry of Poland. Hedwig, later known as Saint Jadwiga, founded the convent, fulfilling a promise made by her husband, Henry, who survived an ordeal in a swamp. The sanctuary's history includes abbesses from the Pious dynasty overseeing its operation for over 3 centuries. Hedwig's devoutness and contributions to the church, along with her family's religious connections, are notable aspects of the town's history. Despite political challenges faced by Henry, he and Hedwig lived piously, promoting peace and religious values. Hedwig, deeply devoted to her faith, dedicated herself to charitable acts, establishing hospitals for the sick and lepers, and generously donating her wealth to the church. Her compassion, such as spending weeks teaching a poor woman the Our Father and going barefoot as a symbol of humility, exemplified her caring nature. The 2020 discovery not only held religious significance, but also added historical value to Trebnica. The town, with its rich religious and royal heritage, continues to be a focal point for preservation and exploration, unveiling hidden chapters of Poland's past. Hedwig's life took a significant turn after Henry's death. She accepted his passing with faith and entered a monastery, embracing the monastic lifestyle, symbolized by her unique choice to tie his shoes around her neck rather than wear them on her feet. Within the monastery, Hedwig utilized her influence to spread religion in the Silesia region. She invited clergy from Germany to settle in the area, leading to an influx of migrants and the establishment of new towns, cities, and villages. Despite her devotion to religion, Hedwig faced heartbreak as she and Henry had several daughters, but only one surviving son, Henry II of the Pious, who tragically died during the Mongol invasion of Poland in 1241. Hedwig, seemingly forewarned in a vision, identified her son's body on the battlefield without shock. Following Henry I's death, any hopes of a united Poland were dashed as the region fragmented under different ruling houses. Hedwig passed away in 1243, and her resting place at Trebnica became a site of pilgrimage, known for reported miracles. She was canonized in 1267 by Pope Clement VI and became one of Poland's patron saints, also known as Saint Jadwiga of Silesia or Saint Hedwig. Her feast day is celebrated on October 16th. While relics of Hedwig are housed in Saint Hedwig's Cathedral in Berlin and Anditches Abbey in Bavaria, her body was initially interred with her husband's at Trebnica Abbey. However, the exact location of her remains within the abbey was lost over the centuries until the restoration work in March 2020. During the restoration of Saint Jadwiga's tomb, workers focused on repairing a crack in the sarcophagus. The stone tomb, dating back to the 1680s, revealed an intriguing discovery as conservators lifted a slab and observed charcoal mixed with plaster poured into a hidden cavity. This unexpected find heightened their curiosity, leading the workers to carefully chip away at the black plaster mix with their tools. Unbeknownst to the conservators, each layer they unearthed brought them closer to an extraordinary revelation. As they excavated, They eventually struck a metallic object, and upon closer inspection, they discovered it wasn't just any object. Wiping away the dirt, the conservators were greeted with the glint of silver, revealing a small casket. The box bore a golden coat of arms belonging to Christina Katters in Poboska of Wierzno, a 17th century priest in Trebnica. However, the priest's coat of arms turned out to be deceptive. Contrary to expectations of containing his remains, the casket instead revealed a lid plaque that proved to be of crucial importance. The Latin inscription on the plaque disclosed that the silver casket housed the remains of Saint Hedwig of Andechs, placed there in the latter half of the 17th century. After centuries of mystery, the long-sought Saint Jadwiga had finally been located in Trebnica. The exact burial location of Saint Hedwig had eluded discovery due to a lack of historical records. Nonetheless, experts had always believed it was somewhere within the basilica. Father Peter Feel, one of the abbey's priests, emphasized the significance of the find, noting that although they were aware the saint's bones were interred there in 1679 when her tomb was constructed, the inscription on the casket was dated 1764. He speculated that no one had examined the bones since that date. Mayor Bugazima expressed personal joy and hailed the event as a historical milestone. Saint Jadwiga, being the patron saint of Trebnica, held a special place in his heart. The mayor shared images from the restoration on Facebook, and the discovery resonated with many, garnering nearly 300 reactions on the album. Following the discovery, both Saint Hedwig's remains and the casket were sent for analysis. The future destination of the relics remains uncertain, but regardless of their ultimate resting place, Hedwig's legacy will forever be intertwined with Trebnica. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share the video. And remember to subscribe to the channel